Okay, guys, so I want to show you how you can actually trade from TradingView directly to your MT4, MT5, TradeLocker, Match Trader. It doesn't matter. All of them at the same time even. So I have an MT5 demo account up just as an example. And as you can see, it's a regular MT5 account. And I'm on I'm on this TradeLocker. I'm on TradingView, and I'm going to use the color strategy indicators to show off one of the new indicators that we've released for you guys. So let's say that you're looking at these trades and you're looking at buys and sells, and let's say right now the market's open right now, and we're just looking at different trades. So let's look up gold. That should be fun. So let's look at gold, and let's say I wanted to take a sell here. Now, as you can see, we have no trades open right now. And if I looked up gold and I can pick a lot size right from here, and I hit sell, it took a sell right from here. Now, if I wanted to close the trade, it can do that too. So I can literally, guys, set my stop losses, take profits, and whenever and I'm going to show you how to connect it using Trade Connect. So make sure you use my link below. Now, just to let you know, this is going to be a extra $20 a month because you're going to be using this copier to make it happen. But I'm going to show you how to do it in a few. Now, I'm going to show you, like, for example, you can even use the long and short tool. So let's say that I did the short tool right here. I put my stop loss right here above. And I did my take profit, and I get right click, create limit order. And let's say I want to do a market execution. And I want my lot size to be a 0.10. And look, it tells me how much I'm going to make, $15. How much I'm going to lose, $7. If I do the sell, and it's going to automatically take the trade over here. Oops, my phone is acting up where it still took the trade. Maybe I didn't set the copier up correctly. Let me make sure it's kept set up. Oops. Let's go back to lot multiplier 100. Save. Yeah, one other thing I need to do. Copy stop loss. Yep, cool. So make sure that when you do it, you have everything set up correctly. Which by the end at the end of this video, we'll be double checking for you. But watch this. I hit create. Limit order, market execution, I do a 0.10, hit sell, and boom. If I come here, and I go to chart, as you can see, it did my stop loss and take profit. I'm on like 1 minute chart. Let's look at the 1 minute. As you can see, has my stop loss and take profit on here. Now watch this. If I move my stop loss, as you can see the stop loss right here, it moves it directly with it automatically. So you can trade straight from TradingView and be just fine, guys. And this works directly to TradeLocker. It works directly. So you're trading Paradise or you're trading Funded Pro, you can still trade directly from TradeLocker. So when you're using your indicators and you're just marking your charts up, if you want to just trade directly to your platforms using TradingView, this is how you do it. So let's go over how to actually do it now. But one other thing before I go into how to do it, just make sure you know some little things that you should know. You're going to be setting up Pepperstone on demo account. And when you're doing that, you're always going to want to pick Pepperstone for anything that you pick. When you right click and go to settings, you're also going to want to make sure you're trading. You have all this stuff on, like your buy and sell, instant orders, positions, profit, loss. You can turn into ticks and percentages if you like also. And just setting up your trading view, your trading side. And then we're going to go over how to set it up, but I just wanted to throw that out there. And yes, you can do your long and short tool to take the trades just like that. So it's pretty dope, guys. Let's go over how to set it up. Okay, guys, so I showed you exactly how it works, but let me show you how to set it up. So the first thing you're going to do, guys, is you're going to go to pepperstone.com. Everything I talk about, guys, all the links will be below. And you're going to create an account by hitting join now. And then you're going to go to continue with email. And you can just pick Australia. Even if you're not from America, it's totally fine. Hit yes. You're going to put your first and last name. You can put your birthday. You can put your phone number. And you can put your email. So I'm just going to put an email here. I'm going to do a brand new one for you guys. And then you can put the password that you want to sign up with. And then you're going to just hit continue. And then you're going to do start with demo account. Okay, now that you're logged in, you want to go to TradingView really quickly. So let's go log into TradingView right quick. Okay, so guys, once you're in TradingView, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Trading Panel. You're going to look for something called Pepperstone. If you don't see it, hit Explore Broker. Or actually not Explore Broker, you're going to just hit All Broker. And you're going to look for Pepperstone. Now, once you find Pepperstone, just so you keep looking for it, make it your favorites. And then you're going to click it and hit Connect. Make sure that you're logged in already to Pepperstone from earlier. And we're going to just call this one Demo YouTube. But you can call it whatever you like, obviously. I'm just doing this for YouTube purposes for this particular account. You can choose what size account that you would like. Let's just start off with 10,000 and hit Submit. Now, what you're going to do is hit Continue on TradingView. And you hit Connect again. And then you're going to hit Accept. Okay, so now we are logged into it. As you can see, it's going to give you this warning. You can say don't show this again or whatever. And hit OK. Now that you are logged in, just a little things that you might want to do while you're in here is you're going to want to right click, go to settings, go to trading, and turn this stuff on. Other things that you want to know is that you only need to pick Pepperstone when you want to take a trade. You'll see the where you can put your lot size, where we talked about that earlier right here. You're also going to be able to, again, use your long and short tool and right click and hit create limit order. And you can do limit orders, stops, or market executions. You can also put your lot sizes right here and so forth. Now, how do we connect this to the Max Trader or DX Trader or MT4, MT5? We're going to use something called Trade Connect. So next, let's go over what Trade Connect is and how to connect it to your Pepperstone account. So anything that we do on TradingView is going to copy over directly to Trade Connect, which is going to merge the Max Trader or the MT4 or the MT5 or the DX Trader. So let's go ahead and get started with that, guys, and let's go over what is Trade Connect. Okay, guys, so now let's go over Trade Connect. The link for that will be below. Use my referral link, guys. It doesn't cost you anything extra. And so Trade Connect allows you to connect one master account to multiple accounts. As you can see, they support MT4, MT5, C Trader, DX Trader, TradeLocker, Max Trader, and so forth. And so what we're going to be connecting is the C Trader in this training to Max Trader. But we can connect C Trader to, for example, DX Trader also, or MT4 or MT5. So I'm going to log into my account. Just so you give your pricing, it's just $10 per account, so $20 total for 2 accounts. And you can do multiple accounts, especially if you start getting more accounts with Holder Prime, then you'll be able to copy all your accounts to using the copier. So let's go and show you how to do it. Now that when you're logged in and you already paid your $20, you're going to go to Accounts, and you're going to go to Add Account, and you're going to go to C Trader. And you're going to click, I already had an account here, so it's going to look like this instead once you get a new account. And you're going to just put in your email. Now, If you ever have an issue where you can't get into this account, because I've had this issue before, I simply just go into the account, click the settings button, and then you can just do a reset your password and then type in your email. So this is my workaround if you have any issues getting into your CTrader account. So I'm going to go ahead and reset my password really quickly. Okay, so I reset my password, and now let's try this again. And now I'm in the account, and then you hit allow access. And so you have your CTrader profile. You can call it, I'm going to call this TradingView. And then you can pick the account that you want to be the master account, which is going to be the 504-4588. And then you're going to pick the account name. We're going to call it again TradingView. And hit confirm. Okay, now that you have your CTrader added, now you're going to add your MT4 or MT5 account. We know whichever one you have, so we're going to do add account. I'm just going to add a demo account really quickly. So we're going to hit MT5. I'm just going to call it test account. Then you're going to look up the broker, Extreme, and then you're going to grab your account number. I'm just going to use this one, this demo account. Server, password, confirm. So now you have both of these added. You're going to go to Trade Copier settings, and you're going to go to Add Master Account, and you're going to pick TradingView or whatever you name the CTrader, and then you're going to copy to whatever your second account is. And there's three different risks I would choose between. You can either do a fixed lot where every time you take a trade, it's going to copy at 0.10 or whatever lot size you pick here to your MT4, MT5 account. Mind you, you can do Match Trader or TradeLocker. So if you're trading Paradise and you want to copy every trade you take on TradingView, you want to copy directly to Paradise, you could do this with TradeLocker even, or Match Trader, or anything that they have, right? Then we have fixed lot size. We have lot multiplier. So lot multiplier is very simple. Let's say whatever lot size you pick on TradingView, it's going to be the exact same lot if you do 100%. So if I do 0.06, it's going to do 0.06 also on TradingView. On MT4, MT5, or TradeLocker. If I do 0.90, it's going to do 0.90. So it's basically copying the exact lot size. Then we have the fixed risk per trade. So how this works is, let's say that you want to risk a certain amount every single time you take a trade, no matter if it's from TradingView. And let's say you're on a prop firm or your account and you want to risk 0.5%. So what happens is that every time you place a stop loss plus an entry, so let's say that you pick the long or short tool and you do a buy with stop loss of 30 pips. You can pick 0.01, 0.05. It doesn't matter what lot size you pick. The moment you press buy, it's going to copy the stop loss over or take profit over, but it's not going to copy a lot size. What it's going to do is it's going to pick a lot size based off of your 0.5 risk. So it's going to say, okay, you want to risk half of 1%. What lot size is going to help you risk half of 1%? So if it hits stop loss, you're going to lose half of 1%. But if you do 1%, for example, it's going to do 1%. So this is a great way if you want to trade directly from TradingView and you don't feel like calculating the lot size and you know you're going to pick a stop loss every time. Now, here's the thing. Anytime you don't pick a stop loss, it doesn't copy the trade. So if that's fine, you can do that. You can set this up like this if you want to copy the stop loss and take profit. But I don't do that personally because it's going to close the trade regardless if it hits stop loss or take profit on your account anyway. So I just keep this one blank. So once you have which one you want and everything, you hit confirm. And sometimes if it's looking at it and it's looking mismatched. So for example, with Extreme, you want to make sure you pick the one that you're doing. So for example, we have detected a symbol mismatched on your slave pair account. You need to select a suffix, which we should use below. If you're unsure, please log into your MetaTrader. So for example, on the MT5, you want to just check, go in your MetaTrader 5, for example, and check and see if it does a suffix. So, for example, with this MetaTrader 5 account, it doesn't have a suffix. It just has, CAD, CHF. But if it didn't, if it had like if you're using MT4, I mean, like, let's say you're using MT4, and MT4 had and you're doing a live account, for example. Well, on the live account, I believe it does like let me just pick it up for you real quick. So let me find out one of the live account examples. So let's say that on the live account, it has a .p, for example. Then you would pick .p. So it recognizes it for you, but I'm just letting you know, just pick the one that fits you. So right now, based off of what I'm using, it's just Euro USD. There's no suffix, so we can hit continue. And you can always fix it later. So that's how you can trade directly from TradingView. That's how I was doing it at the beginning of the video. And hopefully this video was good for you, for those who want to just trade, for example, our indicators directly from TradingView, want to close the trade. And of course, you can still close the trade on your MT4, MT5, or TradeLocker or Match Trader.